What is paleoclimatology? It is the study of past climates. Since it is not possible to go back in time and measure temperature directly, and the use of satellites is a recent and new technology, scientists have had to rely on proxies to reconstruct past climate parameters and its variability. Proxies are material from the core that reflects past climate parameters such as temperature and sea ice. Sediment cores contain layers of the past that tell us how far back in time the core can help explain past climate. GeoSARS is one of the most advanced research vessels in the world. The vessel carries out coring and water sample operations and is named after the first Norwegian marine scientist, Georg Ossian Sars. Climate scientists use boats like GeoSARS to go out and retrieve marine sediment cores to unravel the mysteries of past climate. To collect marine sediment, a metal tube containing a plastic liner and loaded with heavy weights is lowered into the ocean. When it is drawn back up, the inner liner will contain the sediment core from the ocean. When up on deck, the sediment core within the liner is slid out of the metal tube and cut into sections, split in half lengthwise, and undergoes primary analysis. One half is used for further sampling and tests, while the second half is archived in storage. Students, such as Ida, contribute to important climate studies and forge a special bond between themselves, fellow researchers, and of course, their sediment core.
I'm having a very good time. It's so many clever and experienced scientists on this crew, so it's a really safe working environment, and the learning curve is like this.
Cores are sampled, and then each sample is washed using sieves under running water, dried in an oven, and then examined under a microscope to determine the composition of material inside each sample. Small microorganisms called foraminifera are picked from the samples, and various analysis and tests of the foraminifera can give scientists clues as to how warm or cold the ocean was in the past, how the ocean currents change over time, or how much sea ice there was before compared to now. Make it your time to experience paleoclimatology firsthand and find out more about research projects at www.ice2ice.eu and www.uib.no.